ladies and gentlemen and game designers, we're going to do the first tutorial. It's the Kart tutorial, and it's going to look something like this. You've got instructions that tell you what to do. You're just basically going to follow these instructions. It's a good kind of kickoff to the programming for the year. All right, so here's what you do. You go onto your computer, and you're going to go into the documents. You're going to go into my first Unity game, if we can find it. Okay, right there it is, my first Unity game. We're going to go to Assets. You're going to go to the Kart template. You're going to go to Scenes, and you're going to double-click on that. Double-click on the sample scene in Unity, and it's going to get you started here. Okay, and from there it's pretty self-explanatory. But here's the other couple things I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about what you're going to do. So first of all, you're going to follow the tutorial. You're going to continue on with these videos, okay, on this site right there. You're going to make sure you complete all the challenges, and then finally you're going to share your final project with me and your friends and your family, and you're going to get points for that. Okay, so the other part that I want you to know is this, that whenever you do a unit or a module, so we're doing the Kart new to Unity tutorial, you have to do the discussion first, make sure you add all the due dates into the calendar, and then do the Kart tutorial, and then share the finished Kart game with me. So start going through these things in this order. If you skip this stuff, that won't be good, so make sure you do that. Alright, good. Thank you, guys.